Hello everyone and welcome to the Galaxies Part 2, The Origin. But before moving to our topic, I just want to notify you about a new research done by Russian astrophysicists regarding neutrinos. So Russian astrophysicists, wait a minute, do you know about neutrinos? If yes, then that's pretty good. If no, then what are you waiting for? Go check out my video regarding neutrinos. So where was I? Oh, Russian astrophysicists have come close to solving the mystery from where high-energy neutrinos come from in space. They compared the data on the elusive particles gathered by Antarctic Neutrino Observatory ice cube and on long electromagnetic waves measured by radio telescopes. The neutrinos turned out to be linked to flares at the centers of the distant active galaxies, which are hosts of supermassive black holes. So, as the matter falls towards the black hole, some of it is ejected or accelerated into the space, giving rise to neutrinos. So, this was the basic idea behind the research. Just wanted to give you some latest updates. Now, without taking much time, let's move to a topic, galaxies. But before starting part 2, if any of you haven't seen part 1, then go check it out. It will help you to maintain a continuity. As observed by Hubble Space Telescope and ground-based instruments, the first galaxy appeared as little as 1 billion years after the Big Bang, which took place probably 13 to 14 billion years ago, nearly 30.8 billion years ago. There are two leading theories which explain how the first galaxy formed. But the truth can be anything, maybe the merger of both, a combination. So what are those theories? One theory says that the galaxies were born when vast clouds of dust and gas were collapsed under their own gravitational pull, allowing the formation of stars. And the other, which has gained strength in the recent years, the young universe contained many small lumps of matter which clumped together to form galaxies. Hubble Space Telescope had photographed many such lumps which can be the precursors to modern galaxies. According to this theory, most of the large galaxies were spirals, but over time these spirals merged together to form ellipticals. The process of galaxy formation has not stopped yet. Our mysterious universe has evolved, is evolving and will evolve. Smaller galaxies are frequently gobbled up by larger ones. Our Milky Way may contain the remains of several smaller galaxies that it has swallowed during its long lifetime. Galaxy merger happens fairly often. A large number of bright galaxies that we see today may have formed from the merger of many such small galaxies. Mergers in the universe are common because universe is crowded at the galactic distance scale. The disk of Milky Way, for example, spans 1 lakh light years, and the nearest major galaxy, Andromeda, which is little bigger than Milky Way, is 2.5 million light years away. Means the distance between the galaxies is 25 times greater than the size of galaxies themselves. Whoa, that doesn't even leave an elbow room for galaxies. Galaxies are very massive too. So their gravity, you can imagine how strong gravity they have. So when we crowd them, the attraction is so strong that two galaxies latch onto each other and don't let go. Eventually, they merge to form a giant city of stars. Do you know the destruction is moving towards us, or maybe we are moving towards it? How? In around 4.5 billion years, our galaxy Milky Way will collide with Andromeda galaxy to form a single giant city of stars. And maybe that will end the life on Earth, but not on other planets that are situated in other galaxies. And as we all know, mankind was born on Earth, but it was never meant to die on Earth. You know, Interstellar Dialogue, really awesome movie. Hey, if you find this video interesting, then like my video and drop your reviews in the comment box. And I will be back with more interesting and knowledgeable videos. So to be updated with my videos, subscribe to my YouTube channel, Knowledge Show. And for today, that's all. Thanks for watching.